Say the word. Say the word. Come on. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a Fender on your Corolla 2010. So this is a 2010 Corolla, and it's the right side fender that we are going to install. And I think it's the same process as the one on the left side. So here's the fender, painted and ready. So we'll just grab it, wipe that place down, make it clean, and then install it step by step. If you want to know how you can paint it, check the link in the description and everything you need. You also need a socket set. I have an EP auto socket set over here. I'm going to share the link in the description. You need the 10 millimeters and everything that comes with it. So first thing is we have to start screwing or bolting it from this side over here going upwards. So you need this part of the sides cut off. So I'm going to show you. So you need this part off so you can be able to start bolting it from there. Then here, then you need to do it over here. There's one in the corner there, and there should be some down here. So we'll have to start down here and proceed gradually.
We should forget about this place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay. Changing like the seasons, been wasting.
So we can bolt that one screw that's down here. That's what we can start with.
This time should be like satellites, cast beyond the sky. Leave our faith for another day. Riding these horizons, we'll find our way. We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Just follow me, paradise to say we tried. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay.
So those two are in, and then now over here we can just insert. These are just two clips. We can just insert one. We can start with this one. There, and the other one there. That holds this place firm. I have these sides cut, so that's going to cover this place. And then we need to make sure this line over here is installed inside perfectly. Make sure that one is inside, so that's good. And then we can proceed to the top. So over here we just need one bolt here, and then we can cover this place back how it was. And then with that we can put this plastic that was covering it back inside. Next thing would be this bolt over here, and then we can put this part also back inside. Now we can put this back inside. I'm just gonna wipe it down a bit. So I had taken this off from here, so I'm gonna put it back with I'm gonna use some glue just to put it back and slide it in, and then after that put this bracket back inside there, and then proceed with bolting the rest of the fender. So the other two would be this and this one over here, and then there's a third one here that's connected to, would be connected to the headlight, so that will do at the end. So here are the 3 bolts left. I'm gonna do the 2 and save the other one for last. Finally, we have one more down here that connects to this bracket, this metal bracket over here that is kind of bent. So that will be the last one, and then the other one will do once the headlight is on. And that's how you connect your fender. So just make sure you put the side skirts back where they were. Make sure all the cords are out and visible. Nothing is buried. Make sure everything is installed. So that should be everything. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna share the link in the description for this fender replacement, and how you can paint it and what you can use to paint it. So check it out. Also check out the bumper replacement, bumper painting and everything. See you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in.